Have you ever thought about how something as simple as a bag could be such an influential part of fashion history? You carry your everyday essentials, but did you know that bags have also carried civilizations through wars, defined social classes, and sparked revolutions? That's right, we're talking about those handy little carriers that can change the world. Throughout history, bags weren't just a means to carry stuff, they were a reflection of our society, culture, and personal style. So let's take a journey through time and explore how these humble accessories have affected the course of history and what the future might hold for this beloved accessory. Let's start with ancient times when people didn't have fancy backpacks or purses like today. The ancient Egyptians carried their belongings in linen sacks, which were basically big pieces of fabric that they folded and tied up. They used them for everything from carrying grain to holding their cosmetics. Meanwhile, across the sea, the ancient Greeks were crafting leather satchels with beautiful metalwork and intricate patterns. These bags were more than just functional, they were a status symbol of wealth and power. After all, only the richest people could afford such luxurious accessories. As time went on, different cultures developed their own unique bag designs. In Africa, there were woven bags made from colorful threads or animal skins. In Asia, there were intricately designed handbags made from bamboo and cane, and in South America, there were bags made from animal hides with traditional tribal patterns. Each region put its own spin on this simple accessory, making it a true reflection of the diversity of human culture. Fast forward to the Middle Ages and things got even more interesting. During this time, bags became more specialized with different shapes and sizes for different purposes. There were money bags, powder horns, and even poop bags. Yes, they existed back then too. One of the most iconic bags of the Middle Ages was the reticule. This small purse was carried by women and had a long chain strap so they could keep it closed to them at all times. The design of the reticule evolved over time, influenced by different fashion trends and styles. Sometimes they were made of velvet or silk, and other times they featured intricate metalwork. During the Renaissance, bags became even more ornate and were often seen as works of art. Italian leather workers were particularly skilled in creating some of the finest bags of the era. They used high-quality materials and techniques passed down for generations to create pieces that were not only functional but also beautiful. These bags were often carried by wealthy merchants and nobles and were a symbol of their wealth and status. In the 18th century, the East India Company began importing indigo-dyed cotton fabrics from Asia, which led to a new style of bag, the tote. These bags were sturdy and practical, perfect for carrying goods to and from market. The tote bag has remained popular ever since and has become a staple of modern fashion. As we entered the 20th century, bags became an even bigger part of our everyday lives. With the invention of nylon and other synthetic fabrics, bags became more durable and water-resistant, making them even more practical for everyday use. Designers like Coco Chanel and Elsa Schiaparelli began incorporating bags into their fashion lines, elevating them from a simple necessity to a fashion statement. The little black dress and the 255 handbag are just two examples of how bags can become timeless classics. The second half of the 20th century saw even more innovation in the world of bags. New materials like leatherette and neoprene were used to create unique looks and textures. Designers like Mary Quant and Andre incorporated bold colors and futuristic shapes into their bags, reflecting the changing times. The disco era brought us the evening bag, a small clutch purse that was perfect for a night out on the town. And in the 1980s, shoulder bags and crossbody bags became popular, giving us even more options for carrying our essentials. With the rise of the internet and e-commerce, bags are now just a few clicks away. But this convenience has also led to a surge in fast fashion, which has impacted the way we consume and dispose of our accessories. Many bags are now made from cheap materials and are designed to be disposable, contributing to the fast fashion cycle. However, there is a growing movement towards sustainable and ethical fashion, which includes being mindful of our bag choices. So how can you make sure your bag is not only on trend but also eco-friendly and ethically made? Look for bags made from sustainable materials like recycled nylon or organic cotton. Support brands that prioritize ethical labor practices and consider the bag's durability. A well-made bag will last longer and reduce the need to buy new ones, reducing waste and environmental impact. You can also buy second-hand bags, giving new life to pre-loved items and reducing the demand for fast fashion. While the future of bags is uncertain, one thing is clear: they will continue to evolve and adapt to our changing needs and styles. Technology is already playing a role in the future of bags, with AI-designed bags becoming more common. Companies are using artificial intelligence to create new designs and personalize the shopping experience. For example, some companies are developing bags with built-in technology features like GPS tracking to prevent theft or solar charging capabilities for your phone. As sustainability becomes more important to consumers, we can expect to see more eco-friendly materials and production methods used in the future of bags. This includes using recycled and vegan materials as well as reducing plastic waste. We may also see a return to traditional craftsmanship with handmade bags becoming more popular. Consumers are increasingly interested in supporting local artisans and buying handmade items, and this could lead to a surge in unique and personalized bags made by independent designers. Another possible trend in the future of bags is a focus on functionality and multi-use designs. As our lives become more hectic, we need bags that can adapt to our busy schedules. This could mean bags with multiple compartments and pockets for organization, or bags that can be worn in different ways. One popular option is the backpack, which has gone from being a purely functional item to a fashion statement. Backpacks are now available in a variety of styles and designs and are often large enough to carry a laptop and other tech gear. They're practical and fashionable. No matter what the future holds, one thing is certain: bags will continue to be an integral part of our lives. They're not just a way to carry our belongings, but also a reflection of our personal style and values. By considering the materials, production methods, and overall design of our bags, we can ensure that they're both fashionable and responsible. So next time you reach for your bag, take a moment to appreciate its rich history and the role it plays in your life. And who knows, maybe you'll even be inspired to try a new style or design. Just remember, it's not just a bag, it's a reflection of you. But what do you think? What's your favorite bag and why? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more historical tales. Thanks for watching.